Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann, designated broker with Position Realty. Today I'm at one of our new listings located at 4867 West Palo Verde Drive in Glendale. It's directly off of 51st Avenue and Bethany Home. And within walking distance there is a elementary school, Carol G. Peck Elementary School. The community also has a community pool in the community, and the owner just recently remodeled the property. It's got new flooring and new kitchen countertops, and it looks pretty sharp. So let's go take a look at it. Nice large living room area. Countertops look nice. Black on black appliances. Has a nice patio here. Here's the hallway, and it does have 3 bedrooms. It's the first bedroom. Freshly painted in a taupe color. Washer and dryer included. There's one of the other bedrooms. Decent size. And then all the units come with a carport, a covered carport, as you see underneath there at the neighbor's properties. And here's the bathroom. Tile surround shower there. And then here's the 3rd bedroom. Just like all the bedrooms, it has a closet. Coat closet here in the hallway. And a closet area here in the hallway. And over here it's got the water heater inside. And the community pool is within walking distance. We could walk over there real quick, go take a look at the community pool. You see over there, that is the elementary school within walking distance from the community. Community dumpsters. And then the community pool is very close to the unit. Community is well taken care of. And here's the pool. Very close to the unit. It's a nice big swimming pool. Well maintained, crystal clear. Okay, that concludes our virtual tour of our listing. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I have all my contact information below under more information. And if you like this listing, or you would like to be notified of new listing virtual tours, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the button below. Thank you for watching.